Hello and welcome back to Digi Cybernet Academy, your go-to place for learning, networking, cybersecurity, and digital marketing in short, simple videos. If you're new here, don't forget to check out our previous videos. In our first video, we introduced our channel and the basics of networking. In the second video, we explored LAN, MAN, and WAN with real-life examples. And in the third video, we discussed network devices like hubs, switches, and routers. Today, let's dive into one such device, the repeater.
So, what exactly is a repeater?
A repeater is a physical layer device used in networking to amplify and regenerate weak signals. As data travels through a cable or wirelessly, it gradually loses strength. This is called signal attenuation. The repeater receives the weak signal, restores it to its original strength, and then retransmits it. It works only at the physical layer of the OSI model. That means it doesn't read or understand the data, it simply repeats it. You can think of it like someone repeating your message loudly across a long hallway so others can hear it.
The main function of a repeater
is signal regeneration. It performs the 3R function. First, it receives the weak signal. Second, it reshapes the signal to its original form. And third, it retransmits the clean signal. It's a simple device, but it helps the signal travel farther without degradation. However, it cannot filter or manage traffic. It simply boosts whatever it receives, even if it's noise. Repeaters are helpful when a network signal needs to travel longer than the allowed distance. For example, Ethernet cables usually work only up to 100 meters. Beyond that, we can place a repeater to boost the signal and keep it strong. Repeaters are also used in wireless networks, like Wi-Fi repeaters or extenders, to improve coverage in large buildings or homes. They're best used in small or simple networks without much traffic.
In today's networks,
repeaters are not commonly used. That's because modern devices like switches and routers not only amplify signals, but also manage and secure the data. Repeaters do not offer security, traffic control, or filtering. They just repeat everything. That's why in most cases, repeaters have been replaced by smarter network devices. Let's say your Wi-Fi doesn't reach your bedroom. You can place a Wi-Fi repeater in the hallway. It receives the weak signal from your router and rebroadcasts it strongly to your room. That's a real-world use of a repeater. In our next video, we'll explore another device, the hub. We'll understand how it works and how it compares with repeaters and switches. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Digi Cybernet Academy. Click the bell icon to stay updated with